Hi everybody, Hassan Shariq, regulated Canadian immigration consultant, talking to all of you from the beautiful Canadian city of Mississauga. And I bring to all of you a great news, specifically for people who are PGWP holders or whose PGWP expired more recently. On the 8th of January, the Minister for Immigration, Canada, announced a new public policy specifically for PGWP holders, where people who were in Canada on PGWP, the postgraduate work permit, or are currently having one, will be allowed an additional opportunity to apply for a postgraduate work permit. Now, many of you know that if you move to Canada as an international student, you are allowed to stay back on a postgraduate work permit, which is an open work permit once you complete your studies. But this open work permit, PGWP, is only allowed once. Now, because of the COVID situation, a lot of people were impacted where they had the PGWP, but they were not able to secure jobs and then not become eligible for various PR pathways. And Canada, the immigration system of Canada, has a lot of focus on helping international graduates who are in Canada move towards PR options, because these people are trained within Canada, so there's a likelihood of them being successful in the workforce. But the COVID situation, became a major challenge for a lot of these people, and that's why they've come up with the policy on the 8th of January. It was announced, this new public policy, that they'll have an additional opportunity to apply for another PGWP. Now let's look at the details of this. So this new PGWP that people will be granted, it will be for a period of 18 months. So great opportunity. A lot of people who would get 18 months, an additional year of work experience in Canada, and that can raise their CRS points or help them look for certain PNPs as well. This particular PGWP, so the applications will be accepted between 27th January 2021 to 27th July 2021. And this is for people whose PGWP expired on or after 30th Jan 2020. So for anybody whose PGWP expired on 30th Jan 2020, you are eligible to apply for this. It might be a restoration of status, or it's about to expire. And because the applications will be allowed up until 27th July, it also states that for current PGWP holders, they can apply for this particular PGWP, additional PGWP, 4 months or less than that before their PGWP expires. So those whose PGWP expires on 27 July 2021, they can also take benefit of this particular public policy offering. And the earliest that you could apply for this, so if, say, for instance, your PGWP is expiring on the 27th of July, you can apply on the 27th of May. April, actually. So 27th April is the earliest that you could apply. So a great opportunity. They have not mentioned the complete details as to how this will work out. They will be updated soon. What I will do is that I will provide a link to this public policy in the description of the video. People can have a look, but the applications will be open from January the 27th. So a great opportunity. Canada puts a lot of focus on providing opportunities for international students. This is one of the things which is embedded in the immigration system. And now, for those who watch my regular videos, we recently had a CEC draw. Now this, if I connect the dots, this makes a lot of sense why there was a CEC draw, and we might see more and more CEC draws happening, because they would have the stats that a lot of people who were on PGWPs were not able to meet PR pathways maybe, and because not a lot of students have applied for their visas or will be able to move to Canada because of this whole COVID situation. So they might see that there will be a drop in numbers of international students in Canada, and to counter that, maybe they are trying to help those international graduates who are already in Canada, and this is a great policy in terms of that. Hats off to the Department of Immigration, the Minister of Immigration, and the Government of Canada. If you would like to know any further details, feel free to drop a comment, and myself and my team will be happy to answer you on that. We'll soon be back with another video on another topic of Canadian immigration. Till that time, take very good care of yourself and your families. Bye-bye.